Okay, if you're a creator, you know this feeling all too well. You pour hours, maybe even days, into brainstorming, scripting, editing. You hit publish, and then crickets. That constant search for video ideas that actually get seen, that actually grow your channel, can feel like you're just throwing darts in the dark. But what if you could stop guessing? What if there was a playbook? Well, that's exactly what we're going to build today.
I mean, this question from the Keem at Subscriber, it really hits home, doesn't it? It's a frustration that pretty much every single creator has felt at some point. But here's the good news. The solution isn't some secret trick or a magic algorithm hack. It's about completely changing how you think about ideas. It's about adopting a whole new playbook, and we're going to unpack it right now.
So, the framework we're going to use is a strategic pyramid. Just think of it as 3 levels of understanding. We're going to start with the basics, the simple tactics, and climb all the way up to some really deep strategic insights. And I promise, by the end of this, you'll have a brand new way of looking at not just what videos you should make, but why some videos succeed in the first place.
All right, let's start at the bottom, the base of our pyramid. This is level 1, spotting trends. This is the foundation for everything else. It's all about knowing what people are talking about, what they're searching for, and what's capturing their attention right this second. Because really, before you can stand out, you've got to understand the conversation that's already happening.
So where do you even look? Well, this slide gives us a fantastic map. You can start really broad with something like Google Trends to see what the whole world is curious about, and then, zoom in a little bit with YouTube's own trending tab. But honestly, the real magic, the really interesting stuff, often happens when you look at where trends are actually born. We're talking the super fast-paced world of TikTok, the real-time chatter on X, and those super passionate niche communities you find on Reddit. This is your intelligence-gathering phase.
Okay, let's climb up to level 2, finding openings. Now, knowing what's trending is great, but it's not enough, right? Because here's the thing, everybody else sees those exact same trends. The real strategic advantage comes when you can look at that landscape and find the gaps, the unanswered questions, and the unmet needs of the audience.
And this right here, this is a huge mindset shift. On one side, you've got trend chasing. That's making a video just because a topic is popular. And yeah, it can work, but you're basically jumping into a huge, crowded party. But on the other side, you have gap filling. This is all about finding what the audience is desperately searching for, but can't find good answers to. And that's where you find less competition and a real chance to become the go-to authority.
So, what even is a content gap? This definition just nails it. It's a total mismatch between demand, what people want, and supply, what's actually out there. YouTube strategist Brian Nang calls this demand-supply arbitrage. It's that sweet spot where a ton of people are interested in something, but there just aren't enough good videos about it. Your job is to be the one who finally provides that great content.
Okay, so how do we actually find these gaps in the wild? Well, the best signal you can look for is something creator Jason Hahn calls an outlier video. You've seen these. It's a video that just explodes. It gets 3, 5, even 10 times more views than anything else on that channel. It's like a giant flare shot into the sky, signaling that the creator accidentally stumbled upon a deep, deep well of audience demand that no one was serving.
And this is how it all connects so perfectly. An outlier video isn't just a lucky break for that one creator, it's a treasure map for you. It's a big, blinking neon sign that points directly to a content gap in your niche. If you can figure out why that video did so well, you can start to reverse engineer a strategy to fill that exact same gap, but with your own unique spin.
We've made it. Welcome to the peak of the pyramid. Level 3, the virality code. We've gone from what's popular to where the opportunities are hidden, and now we're going to dig into the actual science of why some ideas have that explosive viral potential while so many others just fizzle out.
This is where things get really fascinating. According to some incredible research from Archive, virality isn't just one thing. It's actually a combo of 2 key forces. The first one, on the left, is endogenous response, which is just a really fancy way of saying how naturally shareable a video is. Think of it as its raw word-of-mouth power. The second is exogenous sensitivity, and that's all about how well it reacts to a push, like when someone shares it on social media.
The researchers literally mapped this out. On this endo-exo map, every single video gets a score. The further to the right it is, the more naturally shareable it is. The higher up it is, the better it performs when people promote it. So a video that lands way up in that top right corner, that's the holy grail. That is a video that is just begging to go viral.
And this is where it gets incredibly powerful. Take a look at the video labeled H. See how it's right there in that top right holy grail quadrant? It has massive viral potential. But look closer. The bubble around it is tiny and faded. That means almost nobody has seen it. It hasn't been promoted at all.
This isn't just a good video, it's a hidden gem. It's a massive opportunity just waiting for a single spark to go completely nuclear.
So, we've climbed the pyramid. We went from spotting trends to finding gaps all the way up to understanding the science of virality. Now let's bring it all back down to earth and put it together into a solid, concrete playbook you can start using right away to find your next big idea.
And you know, the best part is, you don't have to do any of this alone. There's an entire ecosystem of tools built to help with this exact strategy. For level 1, you've got your trend spotters. For level 2, you have amazing tools like Outlier Kit and vidIQ that are designed specifically to hunt for those outlier videos and content gaps. And then, once you've got that killer idea, AI tools like Subscriber can help you script it and bring it to life faster than ever. You can literally build a strategy machine.
So let's tie this all together. It's not about doing just one of these things. It's about the combination. You start at level 1, using trends to get the lay of the land. Then you elevate to level 2, hunting for those outlier videos that scream content gap. And finally, you apply the lens of level 3 so you understand the viral DNA of the idea itself. This whole integrated approach, this is how you stop guessing and start winning.
So I'll leave you with this one question. It seems like a simple shift, but trust me, it changes absolutely everything. The next time you sit down to brainstorm ideas, stop asking yourself what's popular right now, and instead start asking, what does my audience want that they just can't seem to find? Because the answer to that question, that's where your next breakthrough video is waiting.